Hello, welcome. Today's scoop is for Karina. Let's draw a ball. She got a large bag. Let's pick for her this one with small bluish-gray flowers. Very spacious, she can use it as a shoulder, crossbody, or a handbag. Let's scoop. Crossbody a clutch bag. Let's pick for her this two-way beige crossbody and clucked bag. Comes with both straps. Bath towel headband. Bag charm. Makeup bag. Let me pick for this pink ruffled flowery one. Multi-purpose, multi-use. Card wallet. Bangle bracelet. Let's pick this collarbone, so chic. Ring. It is all-around soft purple flower ring, really beautiful. Lip care or lips makeup. Small wallet. Pearl-inspired hair tie. Ballpoint pen. Two scrunchies. Two pair of socks. Two hair clip or hairpin. Mini notebook. Sticky note. Lip scrub tool. One charm. It is a beautiful crown. Bracelet. Thank you, Karina. Next scoop is for Laura.